How to fix Minecraft crashing or not responding. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily and quickly fix the Minecraft when it's not responding or launching. So first of all, you need to go to Windows Setting and then Privacy, or simply search for background apps in the search bar. Once you find the option, open it. Then turn them all off. Make sure that the toggle of let apps run in the background is off. Next, search for gaming or game mode settings and make sure that the game mode is turned off or the toggle is switched on. After that, also try updating your graphics driver. For that, you need to go to your control panel, select Device Manager, hover your mouse to display adapters and expand this section. Right-click on your driver and select Update Driver. Simply restart your computer and then try running the Minecraft again. Your problem now should be fixed. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.